In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Salesforce IP address. This is a simple but powerful way to understand where logins to your org are coming from, which is helpful for troubleshooting access issues and keeping an eye on security. Start by opening Salesforce and going to Setup. Look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen, select it, and choose Setup. That takes you to the administrative area where you can find all the tools and settings you need. If you don't immediately see the navigation menu on the left, give the page a second to load. Once it does, you'll see a search box labeled Quick Find. In the Quick Find box, type Login History. As you type, a matching option named Login History will appear. Click that to open the Login History page. This page lists recent login activity for your org, and it's the place where you can view the IP addresses associated with those logins. On this screen, you'll see a table with several columns. The Login Time column shows when the login occurred, using your org's time zone settings. Username tells you which user account logged in. The Source IP column is the key detail for this walkthrough. It displays the IP address from which the login was made. Login type indicates how the user signed in, such as a standard login, an API login, or a single sign-on session. You may also see other details like the status of the attempt and the client or browser information, depending on your org's configuration. When you look at the source IP, remember that this is the address Salesforce recorded at the time of the login. If the user was on a corporate network, behind a proxy, or using a VPN, the IP may reflect that gateway rather than a personal device. This is normal and still useful for confirming whether a login came from an expected network range. If you need to review a particular entry, you can highlight and copy the IP address and compare it with the ranges your organization trusts. Avoid sharing IP addresses publicly and always handle this information with care. By default, the page shows recent activity. If your list is long, you can scan for the time window that matters to you and focus on the source IP column for those entries. That's all there is to it. Open Setup, search for login history, and review the source IP for the login you're investigating. This quick check can save time and provide clarity when tracking down unexpected activity or verifying legitimate access.